Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has yet again mounted a defense for his administration, touting developments all across the island. Speaking during a tour of the Boundbrook Urban Centre in Portland, he argued that there are tangible signs of progress. Romada Lyons has details.
The healthcare sector, the state of the nation's roads, and the response to disasters, to name a few. The opposition has bashed the government over the handling of those areas in recent times. But Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, on the defensive, is adamant that the government has made visible gains.
Right across Jamaica, brick by brick, asphalt laid by asphalt laid, houses handing over, we are improving the lives of the Jamaican people.
During a tour recently, he spoke specifically about the Boundbrook Urban Centre, which was announced in April 2023. He described it as a potential economic boost.
What we are doing here is to build spaces that can make your lives better. That will take congestion out of the town of Port Antonio. It will reduce traffic flows out of Port Antonio. It will make the town more functional and give opportunity for new investments to come in and take up the space that is freed up there.
Over 3 years later, the centre is 58% developed and should be completed by February 2027. The total development cost is $4.2 billion, with a $2.7 billion budget for the construction phase.
I want anyone today to contest the things that I have said. Let them say that there is no building operating here, there is no building going on here, that Boundbrook isn't materializing. Let them deny it. Let them deny that there is a bypass being built here. Let them deny that the plans are now moving from plans to execution for the East Harbour and the West Harbour. Let them deny it.
It's expected to generate significant economic activity in Portland and create an estimated 2,000 to 3,000 jobs during the construction and operational phases. Chairman of the Factories Corporation of Jamaica.
It not only symbolizes a new urban centre, but it also falls in line with the quaint atmosphere and I would say special surrounding of Port Antonio, and set the tone for how future development ought to be given.
We will not stop in presenting to the people what we are doing to change their lives for the better.
Romada Lyons, TVJ News.